Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this Halloween unicorn cake. I'm actually really surprised that we have not done a unicorn cake in the past, but I think it's just because I make so many at work that I don't really think about it. Anyways, we got the little spiders at the Dollar Tree, and for the ears, horn, and the little eyeballs, we are going to be making out of fondant today. And just letting you guys know that when you take chocolate buttercream, add in a whole bunch of black food coloring, somewhere along the way it tastes more like food coloring rather than chocolate buttercream. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but just letting you guys know that. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out my other Halloween videos that we have done in the past. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get started. You can start out by rolling out your black fondant to about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. And then with your orange, you want to just roll that out really paper thin. And with your about 2-inch circle cutter, you will stamp out 2 circles with the black and 2 half circles in the orange. It doesn't have to be perfect for the orange, because then you're going to, with your X-Acto, cut out 2 triangles and just set those aside. Okay, with your 2 large black circles, you are going to take any part and then fold one side over the other, and then pinch the top, and then we're going to take our little orange triangle and put that inside. And if you need to, you can put a little bit of water to make it stick a little bit better. To make the horn, you are going to roll out so that the ends are getting slightly thinner on the ends, and then you're going to pick it up, fold it in half, and just twist it all the way down. And when you lay it back down, then you're going to cut the excess on the top and put a wind dowel inside. After that, now you are ready to make the eyes. So I'm going to take 3 even balls and with a little bit of food coloring, we have red, brown, yellow, green, blue, and royal blue, black, and we're going to have a bunch of paintbrushes. So make sure that you're not mixing up your paintbrushes, because you don't want to be mixing black and yellow or just any random colors together. Then with my little white ball, I'm going to start with a light color and paint a circle, and then work on the inside. And with my darker color, I'm going to go back around and just give it some more texture and depth. And for the very center, I'm going to go back and paint in a black little dot for the pupil. Once I have all my eyes painted, now I'm going to go back with my very thin tip paintbrush with red and paint on some little veins on the sides. And to let all of these things harden and dry, we're actually going to set these aside, and we will leave these and come back tomorrow. Once you have iced up your cake, now you're going to first start by piping on the eyelashes. So I always start with a toothpick and I'm going to just make 6 little dots. So I start at the center points where the beginning is, and then I'm going to work my way out. If you need to, you can always put more dots along the way to just give you a better guideline of where you're going to be piping. And then with your piping tip number 3, then you're going to go over where you put those little polka dots. You can have the perfect eyelashes. So I changed out my number 3 to a number 21 star tip, and then I have 2 larger star tips, and that's going to be in green and purple. And now we're ready to do the rest of the decorating. I always start from the front, working my way to the back, and then once you get the top done, then you can go ahead and put your horn and the little ears on. And this is actually going to be the time where you steam it. Don't steam it later once you put the eyeballs on, because then they're going to start bleeding with all the colors that you painted. So get your steamer and so you get a nice glossy finished look. And once you finish steaming, then you are going to finish piping your rosettes all the way around to the side. And then with my orange, I'm actually going to go back and fill in any little holes or anything that I think is missing, and just to give it more of an accent look. And this is actually the point where you can actually see it coming together, which is my favorite part. And now once you have all of your rosettes on, then you can go ahead and put on your little eyes and any little spiders or anything else that you want to add. And there you go, now you have a fabulously chic unicorn cake ready for any Halloween party that you're planning to throw. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.